Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a Sea Ray 2026 260 SLX outboard. We have it in the full hull horizon color with a black accent stripe to go beautifully with our black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Up top we do have the black ski tower, and then we have a Mercury V10 400 Verado to power this boat. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX, I'd like to point out a few more key features on the boat. Once again, we do have it powered by Mercury V10 400 Verado. Great horsepower for this boat. We have gray flooring throughout the boat with SeaDek here at the transom. Sea Ray did a great job of storage on this boat. Large ski locker that feeds up into our U-shaped seating. Also where our battery switches will be located. We have a freshwater sprayer that is great to be able to spray off, rinse off as you're getting back in from the sandbar or just getting on the boat in general. We have nice cooler storage here, so you won't have to leave to get any refreshments while you're hanging out at the back here. Also in this nice big sun pad, we do have access to our Fusion stereo system and also some USB charging ports as well. Would also like to point out the beautiful stone interior that Sea Ray has on this boat as well. As we enter in through the transom, we do have a nice transom door here to be able to cut off anybody that, if you have small children or pets that you want to keep inside, great option to be able to do so. Have access to our power tower here, so be able to put it up and down, whether that be for transport needs or if you were to want to get out of some inclement weather. Once again, Sea Ray did a great job with storage on this boat. Very large, nice, deep storage here. We have our bilge caddy in place, and that is removable if you wanted to be able to get down into your bilge area to be able to troubleshoot anything that may happen while you're out on the water. We do have a place here for a table to be put into place, whether you want to enjoy some lunch or some refreshments while out on the water. And then directly below it, we do have a battery charger as well. Once again, great U-shaped seating here. Very nice to be able to incorporate everybody in your conversations. And even if you wanted to, you could rotate your seats into place to be able to include everyone. No one's out of the conversation. So we move up towards the helm here. We do have flip-up bolsters on either side. We have our Sea Ray steering wheel here, our Fusion stereo head system, then twin Simrad screens as well. Also directly beside our steering wheel, we have our Lenco trim tabs. Then we have some switching for subtle things such as our anchor windlass as well as our windshield wiper. We do have a electric steering and shifter here for our Mercury Binnacle to power that V10 400. And then we also do have a wireless phone charger here. Great to be able to just put your phone right here and let it charge up while you're underway. We also have USB ports directly beside, and then also a 12-volt plug to be able to blow up any things that you may need for water sports while out on the water. Do have a nice head here with a vacuum flush system with a holding tank. Also a freshwater sink down below as well. Nice spacious area on a 26-foot boat to be able to get out of the sun or even use the restroom as well. Do have a nice little cubby storage here. Just great place to be able to throw some phones, wallet, keys, keep it secure while you're underway. We have storage underneath. Nice little trash can here as well. And then if you were in the colder months and you wanted to be able to block off this area and get out of some of the colder weather, allows you to extend your boating season by flipping over this windshield along with our windscreen here and locking them into place as well. So we move up into the bow. Great, nice, spacious seating. I'm 6'4" for reference, so very spacious, great place to be able to stretch out and enjoy this boat. And then also we have cup holders easily accessible and then also another place for a table if you wanted to be able to put a table into place and enjoy some lunch up at the bow. Also have our windlass system here, be able to control it here, or once again, like I mentioned earlier, at the helm as well. Then we have our freshwater sprayer to be able to spray down your anchor chain as you pull it in. If you'd like to learn more about this or anything else that we have here at MarineMax Charleston, please feel free to check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.